In this video, I will guide you on how to change your App Store country. This can either be on your iPhone or even on your iPad, and this can be very useful in situations where there are certain apps you want to install but are not in your region, or just certain features that are not yet in your region. Now, we can either do it from the App Store or directly from the settings of our device. And to do it from the settings of your device, you basically just want to open up the settings. Now, tap on your profile name to access your profile, and then from here you just want to scroll down, select on the media and purchases option from over here. Go ahead and tap on view accounts. You might be required to enter your passcode, or if you have a Face ID, just try your Face ID. Here you're going to see the country and region option. Go ahead and select that, and now you want to select the country which you want to change to. So in my case, I actually want to change to South Africa. Select on it. Now if you get a message like this, then it simply means that there are definitely some subscriptions that you need to cancel for you to be able to change your country. The reason is because you cannot use a different billing address on all of your subscriptions, which are obviously from a different country now. So if you get this message, you just want to go back to the previous page. So from here, you want to go over to subscriptions, and then you want to make sure you cancel every subscription that are active on your device. Mine is the Apple Music, so I'll go ahead and select on it and then make sure I cancel the subscription. But this particular subscription is made from Google Play, so I'll go ahead and cancel it from my Android device. Over here is the subscription, and I'm just going to go ahead and cancel it directly. Click on cancel subscription. Now what you want to do now is to exit from this page. Go ahead and select on the country and region option again, then select your preferred country. Mine is over here. I'll just select on it. You should no longer get the subscription limitation again, so you can go ahead and tap on the continue. And now you just want to read through all of the terms and conditions over here. I have actually read them, so I'll click on agree and you're good to go. You will be required to now enter a new billing address for your new subscriptions, and you can also choose not to enter any credit card details and just tap on the none option. But now you just have to enter some billing address from over here and your postal code. Once you're done filling up all of the information, tap on the check button over here, then click on done and you're good to go. Now if you go over to your App Store, you should be able to find apps specifically from that particular region. And if you find this video useful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.